Joe's Chimney Repair. We can rebuild your chimney in 15 minutes or less without any loud noises. No hammering, no annoying flying bricks, and we can fix plugged up chimneys too. You don't want your chimney plugging up, alright? So all you do, it's really easy, is pull the bricks off by hand, no chisels, no hammers. And then you pick a good spot, and there she goes. Reasonable prices and discounts for senior citizens. Joe's Chimney Repair. Call 1-800-494-4949, extension 4949. Ask for the early bird special. Thanks. So here we are. This chimney is 90 years old, and I didn't know this, but it's plugged up too. So, you know, that's not good. I was going to try to seal it up one more year, but you know what? I don't think I'm going to do it now, because I kind of discovered that all the bricks are loose and they're just ready to fall down. So I figured I better help them before they fell down on my roof. Yeah, you know, what are you gonna do? Boy, that one was loose. You know, it's hard to find good mortar work anymore these days. All right. Thanks for tuning in to Joe's Chimney Repair. We do chimneys.